It has 4 rings and 11 moons. There are lots of moons.
Pati yung moon niya, kay Bisado eh.
It has a spinning ring, but it's a planet. You can go there, but it's spinning around. Planet Saturn.
You might get dizzy
Yeah.
if you go there because it's spinning around.
Yeah. And the planet Saturn, you can go there, but there are 3 rings and it's made from ice and rocks. And planet Jupiter, it's the biggest planet in the solar system, but you can go to that red spot because there's a big storm, even the red junior spot, because it's the biggest and there's a big storm at those red sides. And at Mars, there's a big volcano in Mars, but it's all red. And planet Earth, the place where all people live, like us.
Like us.
And Venus is the hottest, brightest planet in the solar system, but there are no moons.
Pucha, binuo yung...
That's all.
Yeah, that's all. Thanks. Very good, Han.
Very bright.
Did you send me a video?
Oh yeah, I did.
Can I see?